Hi, this is Amanda Brown. I'm going to go ahead and do this salt mining experiment. Let's see if I can get you to get a good view. Hopefully we can see that. So I'm going to take the salt and the pepper. She's nice and mixed on there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I'm going to take my balloon and rub it on my head. Let's see. Oh, it's working. Oh yeah, it's totally working. All that pepper. That's really cool. So what's happening is, put my balloon down. The positive end is attracted to the negatively charged balloon. So the pepper, since it's a lot lighter than the salt, the pepper flakes jump onto the balloon, leaving the salt behind. It's pretty simple. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.